Happy Halloween! I have had this Tokidoki Barbie in my collection for a really long time, and I always loved her look, and I thought it would be super fun to recreate it. So when Barbie was everywhere last year, it was the perfect time to make the look for Halloween. I started with creating the donut ears, which I based on my actual Mickey ears. So I traced a cup, which was also Disney themed, and made four templates of the donut shape onto foam board and cut that out. It also cut out the center so they were all the same. To make it 3D, I glued cotton on it and then I covered it with the felt. And then you're gluing the two pieces together so that it's 3D. And I put another piece of felt over the seam to cover it so that it looked like it was one single piece of the donut. The sprinkles were felt and I made them out of polymer clay as well. And this was the fun part of just adorning it and decorating the donuts before putting it on the headband and wearing it. I found the fabric on Etsy and it's really just a long rectangle attached to a waistband. Very simple. I'm not a gifted sewer. And here is the complete look with the Barbie, my mini me. Happy Halloween!